Today I'm going to be seeing how many Windows versions that this computer can handle. Here I have some Windows versions ranging from Windows XP to Windows 8.1. Yes, my handwriting is really bad, I apologize. And it wants me to activate Windows. I don't think I have a Windows product key, so we're just not going to bother with that. I think for this install, I might just install Windows 7 and Windows 8. If I can install Windows 8, that's the real question, is if I can. Let's open up the disk drive. And let's pop in Windows 7. And we're gonna press install now. If you're worried about me erasing stuff on this hard drive, I don't really care since nothing of importance was even on this hard drive. Oh. That's not a very good noise. What does that noise mean? Oh, there we go. Let's not update this system. I accept custom. This one. Yes. Yes. What? Windows setup is unable to locate a valid hard drive to store temporary installation files. Create more free space. Hang on a second. Let me do something off camera. Well, I guess I'll still be rolling, but, you know. I don't care if I'm a victim of software counterfeiting. This is literally a build of Windows Vista that I got from archive.org. I don't care about Windows Update. I don't care. How do I get free space? 3utools is probably taking up a lot of space. That's probably what it is. Yeah. Firefox. Don't really need that. iTunes. Don't really need that either. What does that make it now? Oh, 14 gigs free. What if I delete everything in the recycle bin? I just deleted the recycle bin. How did I do that? You know what, it's fine. It's fine. I think it should be okay now. Might have deleted one of the most important things about the system, but it's fine. Let's not get any updates. Thank you for that. I accept. Next, custom. I think we should have enough space, right? Okay, we do. I will come back to you guys when I finished installing Windows 7 onto the computer. I'm not gonna bore you with that like I did on the installing Tiger on the MacBook. I'm not gonna bore you with that. So I'll just cut back when this is done installing. Alright, I think it's actually done setting up Windows 7. I have waited a while for this, and I'm actually surprised that it went through. The thing that I kind of question is the arrow theme still gonna be on the computer? Because on Windows Vista, it still had the arrow theme, but I'm not sure if Windows 7 is still gonna have it. Setup is checking video performance. Yeah, I think it's gonna try to see if it can run arrow. I don't really have high hopes for it, but you know, we can hope for the best. Okay. Set up Windows. Yes, let's set up Windows right now. Name, sure, we'll just put Enzo. Computer name. Yeah, that looks fine. We don't need a password, that's fine. We'll just use another product key later, I don't care. No, don't ask for updates. Yeah, that time's correct. The fans are not liking this. Please show the desktop. I want to see how bad this looks. Please, let me see it. This probably looks terrible for you because of all the pixels that it has to put on the camera. The fans are revving up just by trying to load the desktop. Oh, there we go. Windows desktop update. What does that mean? Why is the resolution so bad? Did it just delete the entire drivers? Okay, if it's doing terrible on Windows 7, imagine what Windows 8 is gonna be like. I kinda don't want to imagine what Windows 8 is gonna be like. Oh, there it is. Oh, we have recycle bin back. Is it fully charged? 90% available plugged in. The actual laptop is giving me a flashing battery icon. We don't need the Windows 7 CD anymore. Oh wow, this thing is warm. Okay, so we got Windows 7. Let's see if we can change the resolution really quick. Okay, so Arrow does not work anymore. Good to know. Don't know why, but it seemed to work on Vista. There we go. Yes, keep changes. Perfect. How much storage do we have left on this computer? Ah, 10 gigs. I think it is now time for Windows 8. Put it in the disk drive. And I think it is time we install Windows 8 on this laptop with half a gig of RAM. Oh boy, it's gonna be amazing. It's gonna be so awesome. It has it. This video is gonna be hell to edit. That's gonna be the thing. Oh god, okay. Yes, absolutely. Windows 8. Oh gosh. I can't imagine Windows 8 running on something like this. I'm just gonna be completely honest. Windows 7 I get. Windows 7 I can completely understand running on a laptop like this. But Windows 8, no. Seems like it's stuck at 96%. Is it gonna go past that, or is it just gonna stay there? I think it's realizing the hardware is way too old to run Windows 8. My camera stopped recording for some odd reason. I don't know why. Is there a certain limit to record? I don't really know. Okay, well, this is not working, so we're gonna close this. Here's what we're gonna do. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna be doing this. We're gonna shut down. I also noticed there was no sound. There's no sound coming out of it anymore. Here's what my plan is gonna be. What if we instead boot from the DVD that's inside of it? I have such wonderful ideas. It's trying to shut down. I know it is. But it can't handle all of this at the same time. How is this camera battery dying already? Can it really not handle being on for like more than, I guess it has been a long time actually. Alright, hang on a second. Okay, switch to my phone. I don't know how the audio quality is. Laptop is still trying to shut down. Not really sure when it actually is going to shut down. Please just turn off. Oh my goodness. This is taking way too long. Okay, you know what? New plan. That probably should have been what I did the first time. I don't know what the BIOS key is, or like the boot menu. Let's find out. First boot menu, please. Okay, there we go. That. Okay, there we go. Yes! Yes! We're making progress! Oh my god, this is so cursed. To see that on this screen. Oh my gosh. Okay, the question is, will it actually boot? Because I have no idea. I saw someone run Windows 8 from... Oh, Jesus. I was gonna say, I've seen someone run Windows 8 from an XP tablet. Please hold down the power button. Oh, okay, I just kind of pressed it. Okay. Should I try that again? Let's try that again. Let's try it from Windows 7 again. We loaded into the desktop. Now let's see if we can load that DVD. Okay, computer. I apologize for the flickering frame rate. I can't control that. I'm sorry. Okay, there it is. It's actually here. Yes, setup. Absolutely. Yes. All this to try to get Windows 8 on a vintage laptop. Oh my gosh, that looks so cursed. You guys should count how many times I've said cursed in this video. 92, 96. I think 96 is where it ends. Interesting. So 96 is where it calls it. And it does not want to go further with it. It's definitely trying. I can hear the disk drive working away. What if I tried a Windows 10 USB? Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and say that Windows 8 does not want to install on this ancient laptop. So thank you guys for watching. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video.